Jadi kamu suka cuacanya di sini
Yeah,
juga ya
and
di Jogja?
Jogja is like the city of the students.
Oh ya, di
Yeah,
City of
so I
Student
love
ya.
the
Kota
environment.
pelajar
Yeah,
ya.
kota belajar.
Education City ya.
Yeah.
Bener. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to Ngopi IMAPS, ngobrolin perkuliahan IMAPS. With me, Daniel Kiefer Karista, who will try to have a discussion with someone, have a conversation with also new IMAPS student, batch 2023. And the fun fact that is she already living in Indonesia for 5 years, so we can speak in Indonesia, so don't worry with the English because ya sudah bisa berbahasa Indonesia tentunya. Jadi kalau penasaran sama dia satu ini mahasiswa baru IMAPS 2023, langsung saja kita tanya-tanya. Ini dia Arwa. Halo Arwa, apa kabar? Alhamdulillah baik ya. Bagaimana? Udah bisa berbahasa Indonesia nih? Udah bisa ya, udah bisa. Jadi kita bisa ngobrol pakai bahasa Indonesia ya. Insyaallah. Oke, ya kalau misalnya ada yang kamu tidak pahami, ya just ask me. But I will try my best with English first. If I find that I don't know what this word in English. Maybe I can say it in Indonesia.
I hope
That's
I will
okay?
understand.
And I hope too you understand. Okay, guys. Jadi sebelum kita masuk ke dalam list pertanyaannya, before we jump to the question, maybe Arwa can introduce yourself first, so maybe the audience can know Arwa first, and yeah, you can introduce yourself first.
My name is Arwa and I'm from Yemen. I'm 21 years old and I've been living here from 2018, but I live in Jakarta.
Oh, Jakarta, yeah. For the first time, why you choose? I mean, maybe the decision is by your family to choose living where, right? But why Jakarta?
Why Jakarta? Because we have families in Jakarta, so
You have family there?
yeah, we kind of have families in
Oh,
Jakarta.
which one? A family from mother
Both
of?
sides.
Oh, both sides.
Yeah, both
Really?
sides.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
interesting. That's
Yeah.
why you living in Jakarta in
Yeah.
Indonesia.
Yes.
I see. So, you have some Indonesian blood? I mean,
I think so. Like quarter?
yeah, I
Or
see.
half, maybe.
Oh,
Yeah, I
yeah.
do have.
Okay.
Actually, I'm sorry I didn't say it, but my mom is Indonesian.
Oh, your
Just-
mother.
yeah,
Oh, I see. Yeah, it is true. So
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have a blood of Indonesia
Yeah,
because your
yeah.
mother from Indonesia.
And my mom is Indonesian Arab, so like.
Oh, I see. That
Yeah.
interesting. That's
yeah.
really
But,
interesting.
yeah, I'm half Indonesian, but
So, you've been living here for 5 years.
yes.
So, are you? I mean, like 5 year. Which dari umur berapa kamu tinggal di Indonesia itu?
Dari 16.
16. So before that 16. Kamu di mana?
I born and raised in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
Jadi kamu tumbuh besar di sana dulu
Yes.
sampai 16 baru balik. Bukan
Indonesia.
balik sih, pergi ke Indonesia.
Balik juga.
Balik kampung ya, balik kampung
Balik
jatuhnya ya. I see. Jadi 16 berarti itu
SMA.
Iya,
kelas
SMA
2.
ya, kelas 2 ya. Ngambil SMA di mana waktu itu? Di Jakarta di mana?
Di Jakarta ada sekolahan bahasa Arab gitu. Sudan, African Sudanese.
I see. Oh, you taking education there.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay, so yeah, we move to the question. Oh, maybe do you still remember the first time when you arrived in Indonesia? What is first impression
I
of
don't
you?
remember what is my first time here.
Really?
Because before I came here from like time to time. So I remember I was here in 2014,
Oh.
17, and maybe before when I was like 3 years old.
Oh.
So I don't have like specific memory
Specific
of
memory.
Indonesia.
But what the thing that you like when you in Indonesia for this 5, 6, 7 years.
5 years.
Yes.
Actually, I love Jakarta so much.
Really?
I like the buildings and just
Uh.
like the environment.
Mm.
And yeah, I think I like everything
I
about
like
it.
I like
yeah.
everything in here.
The weather here is better than Saudi Arabia, by the
Really?
way.
How about weather over there?
Weather, Saudi Arabia is so hot.
So hot.
Yeah, even
Oh.
maybe the best thing in Saudi Arabia, they still have winter.
Oh
But
yeah,
here we don't have
we don't
winter.
have winter
Yeah,
here.
that's the
It's
sad
just
part.
rainy and sunny.
Yeah, but
right?
I think maybe like at least the clouds sometimes look
Yeah,
good.
cloud
Yeah.
also can be. Iya
Yeah.
ya. Jadi apa yang kamu kan sekarang kamu di Jogja ini?
Yeah.
Hal yang menjadi pembeda nih kayak kamu di Jogja sama Jakarta apa yang beda ini?
Beda, nggak ada keluarga.
Oh iya, you
Sendiri.
living alone
Yeah.
here.
I like the weather in Jogja actually. I know people like saying, "Oh, weather in Jogja is hot," but it's not. Like Jakarta is more hotter.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Iya sih.
And at night or in the morning, it's so cold here.
Yes.
There is like,
really cool.
yeah, so it's actually nice.
Oke. Jadi kamu suka cuacanya di sini
Yeah,
juga ya
and
di Jogja?
Jogja is like the city of the students.
Oh iya, di
Yeah,
City of
so I
Student,
love
ya.
the environment.
Kota pelajar
Yeah,
ya.
kota pelajar.
Education City ya.
Yeah,
Benar-benar.
It's nice environment.
I see. Kenapa kamu nggak kuliah di Jakarta aja?
I don't know. I mean, first, Jakarta is expensive.
Iya, totally.
Yeah.
Iya, benar sih,
And
benar.
I think I was wanting to have scholarships, so I was applying here and there.
Oh.
And I get some
Get it.
scholarships, and then I choose UNI.
I see. So because the you applying scholarship here, then you
Yeah.
came here.
Yes.
I see. Then why you not applying a scholarship in Jakarta?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, that's too much question that I try to
No, like,
figure it
I
out.
don't know actually.
So maybe you.
Because the chance was in Jogja.
I see. Yeah. The opportunity that
The
you find in
opportunities
Jakarta.
was-
I see. Yeah. Tapi kalau semisalnya kamu dapat opportunity itu di Jakarta, ya you will in Jakarta.
Yeah, maybe.
Oke. Jadi bukan karena aku mau keluar Jakarta nggak mau di Jakarta, that's why you try to.
It was not the first reason.
That was the
No,
first
it's not the reason.
I see. Okay then. Talking about Indonesia, how about the food? Makanan di
Food?
sini. Iya, mungkin kamu udah terbiasa
Yeah,
ya.
I think I'm already.
Already.
But maybe Jogja is quite a little bit sweeter than
Exactly,
usual
yeah.
Indonesian food.
Uh-uh.
But now I'm okay.
You
But not all
already-
the dishes, but I'm okay. I still, I love a lot of dishes.
I
Yeah.
see. Mungkin makanan ya tidak beda-beda Jawa juga ya, kayak makanan yang ada di Jakarta, ada di
Iya,
Jogja.
sama
Mungkin
aja.
cuma makanan tradisionalnya aja yang ada di sini, traditional cuisine like
Like gudeg.
gudeg.
Yeah,
You have been tried that?
I try. I don't like
Oh,
it.
you don't like it because it's too
fu-
sweet.
It's
Yeah, right.
Sweet, yeah.
Yeah.
And the texture is weird a little bit for me.
Little bit
Yeah,
weird.
yeah.
Oh, I see. Because in my hometown as well, I'm from North Sulawesi, di Sulawesi Utara. Kalau kamu tahu kota Manado, aku dari sana.
Okay.
Makanan-makanan di sana itu semuanya pedas-pedas. It's spicy food. And
Indonesia loves spicy food.
nah, that's
Yeah.
exactly. And when I come here and taste the food of Yogyakarta, it's like
Not
what?
spicy enough?
Yogyakarta, makanan-makanan di Yogyakarta ini terlalu manis-manis kan
Oh,
kebanyakan.
manis. Oh,
Iya.
yeah.
So really sweet for me, and sometimes I can like ini makanannya ditaruh gula semua.
Yeah.
Like they putting
Sometimes
some
I search food.
sweet.
I search food. Khas Bandung, khas Jakarta.
Iya, makanya kayak tapi udah ya jalanin aja sih makanannya,
Yeah.
beradaptasi aja ya sama
Yeah.
lingkungan di sini. Okay, then I'm curious why you choose your undergraduate in UMY, especially you take management in IMFs.
I always want to like learn management, and I choose IMAPS because of obviously it's an
It's
international
international
student.
students. Yeah,
It's
exactly.
in English, even though I'm kind of good in Bahasa, but I don't know how to read formal,
Oh, you don't.
especially formal. I still cannot with the formal Indonesian.
I see, I
I'm
see.
really bad. Not just kind of because my Indonesian is just from like communicate with people and
Yeps.
YouTube and TikTok, and it's
I
like
see.
easy Indonesian or
Uh, 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 uh.
everyday conversation.
Yeah.
So yeah, I still cannot.
Because you want to learn management
Yeah,
also,
and so that's why I choose the international one because
international
it's in
management.
English.
I see. Emang dari awal emang udah kepikiran, oh ya udah manajemen, kayak nggak kepikiran lain-lain gitu.
No, actually,
You already have a fix.
I always liked the business world, you know.
Oh really? You have a
Yeah.
business, but
No, not really, but like my family.
Oh,
has
your
a
family.
business,
Oh,
and
family
a lot
business.
of people, I think, yeah, many people have business. It's
No.
like in the blood to have a business for a reason.
Ya,
So,
enggak
yeah, it's like
semuanya juga.
environment
Ya, the
thing.
environment. Ya,
Yeah.
mostly people will have their own business.
Even if
like,
it's small business,
exactly, like just
everybody have business.
jualan pop ice. If
Yeah,
you know
yeah,
jualan pop,
yeah.
that's a
It's
business, right?
everywhere,
Yeah,
yes.
exactly.
It's especially with Shopee now, like
Yeah, exactly.
yeah,
Benar,
so
benar,
everybody
benar.
have business, and it's like a really good
Benar,
thing
benar,
to
benar.
learn about.
I see. Ya, tadi kan sempat spill tentang bisnis keluarga. What kind of business that?
I think we have like different, but you can say like we sell sometimes like honey, dates, organic things like olive
organic.
oil.
Oh.
What is habasoda? I don't know.
Okay.
And yeah, I think it's just herbal things, organic things.
Oke. Kamu udah pernah kepikiran enggak kalau pengen kayaknya tomorrow I will build this business. I will try to make this product or something like that.
Sometimes because I have curly hair, so I don't think we have like shampoo, cream for curly
Yes,
hair in Indonesia, but it's weird because I see a lot of Indonesian doesn't have like straight hair. They have wavy, curly, but there's not a lot of products.
Iya,
So maybe
benar.
I would love to like
make that
curly hair
things.
business line or something.
Yeah, that's the opportunity.
Yeah,
you
that's
looking
something
the
that sometimes I think about.
taking the opportunity and marketing strategy, not the marketing strategy, customer things.
Yeah.
That's the subject in marketing and also
Yeah.
customer behavior and also pokoknya
Yeah.
nanti kamu belajar aja di kelas
Yeah,
itu.
we'll
We
learn
talking
about it.
easily
Yes,
here,
yes.
ya bener. Alright. Oke, jadi kamu pilih UMY karena emang karena udah dapat beasiswa juga, terus karena manajemen juga makanya ambil IMAPS because international program also. Alright. Nah, bicara tentang IMAPS, bagaimana perkuliahannya selama ini? Udah 1 bulan ya, hampir mau 1
Iya,
bulan
betul.
lah ya. Gimana nih selama pembelajaran?
Alhamdulillah sih masih even when I say like oh yeah I'm good at English but I'm not that fluent too, like it's not my first language.
Iya, pasti.
So sometimes when I learn like the slides I'm like what is this word in English, I don't know too, like all the Indonesian are confused but I'm confused too. Like they think no because you're international students you're good. I'm like no, it doesn't mean I translate everything. It's the same. But like it's better, but sometimes like they speak in Indonesian a lot, like not just everyday Indonesian, like formal Indonesian.
Yes.
I like what is going
What
on.
is going on?
Yeah, but until now it's like I'm okay.
Berjalan bagus-bagus aja
Iya,
ya, going well ya,
yeah,
nggak
it's going
maksudnya
well.
nggak terlalu terbeban dengan
No,
tugas-tugas
enggak.
dan karena bahasa juga ya, it's
It's
taking
just
easy
first
ya.
month too.
Iya,
so
it's
there's
first
still
month.
not.
Jadi nggak terlalu masih
Yeah.
santai-santai
Yeah,
ya.
maybe like next week or
Next-
something we're gonna
next
start
semester,
exams
ya,
or
ya,
something,
bener.
but now we're okay.
Oh, belum ada yang UK ya, exam.
Maybe it's just like one until now.
I see. Karena udah sistemnya juga kan the system of our department IMAPS system like after we did 2 or 3 chapters then we
then we
into
have-
to
yeah.
exam, right?
So it's still maybe next month.
Iya, exactly. Alright. Bagaimana dengan teman-teman di kelas?
I actually enjoy it. Yeah, they're good, and yeah, even though I'm living here for 5 years, but did not attract with a lot of Indonesians, especially like my school was Arabic friends. So maybe just neighbors, but now I'm like more and more into bahasa and like, oh, there's a lot of new words and the slang is a lot.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I can't, like, it's not easy for me, especially on WhatsApp. There's a lot of like, what is singkatan?
Singkat, ya, disingkat-singkat ya
I was
pasalnya.
like, what is this? And I'm like asking, but they're helping me so much.
I see.
Yeah, I'm having fun.
Jadi aman lah ya kalau pertemanan, kayak you making good friends here and it's easy because of your friends in class know you can speak Indonesia. Sometimes people like, I know you can speak Indonesia, then I will speak Indonesia because I cannot speak
I'm okay.
English,
like,
right?
If you speak in English,
yeah,
I will
like
speak English. If you speak with me in Indonesia, I will answer Indonesia. That's how I do.
Ya, oke. Jadi it's okay lah ya, karena biar buat belajar juga, tambah-tambah kata-kata juga. By the way, because you living in Jakarta, I know that Jakarta language like gue, lo, like you used to.
I can't use it. I want to, but no, it's like too much to me.
Tapi di sana pernah diajak ngobrol kayak,
lu
everybody
just use gue.
Ya kan pasti di sana lu gue.
But I think I have like Arabic Indonesia, so they say ana ente, something like that.
Ana ente. I see.
They use it more.
I see.
Maybe I use it too sometimes.
Okay, talking about in a class, which subject that you become a favorite subject?
I don't think I have a favorite subject.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I thought I'm
you...
good. I'm okay with everything.
I thought it will become a management subject. Semester 1 ini kan kalian. I know that. Emmat already told me about the class, like because
you know why then.
Maybe because of that. Jadi nggak, ya udah semua aja disamaratain ya, kayak ya nggak ada yang terlalu suka, nggak ada yang suka banget.
But I think you can just say it about like the accounting class.
Yes.
And I really like Abu Jahid, even though I don't like accounting at all. But
just the way they teach.
Because he really cares about the
students.
If you don't understand, he will just repeat and take people to like the students. How can I say it? Just take Indonesian to explain to the other Indonesian, then take who can explain English and you can explain
Indonesia. Gitu ya.
So it's like you learning 4 or 5 times and stuff like that.
I see.
He really care about the students. Even the accounting is so hard.
I know. Pasti mahasiswanya di dalam kelas itu kalau hari ini kita akuntansi. I hate this day because it's akuntansi, like that. Karena kayak tapi kalau semisalnya dosennya asik, the way he teach us, I think the subject will be not really burden us. Like if it's accounting, then it's okay because I like the way the lectures give explanation to me, right? Jadi udah nggak jadi beban lagi mata kuliah itu, kecuali udah pelajaran matematika, dosennya juga nggak kayak not into us gitu lah kan. Jadi nggak suka. Everything jadi lost semuanya gitu sih. Jadi aman-aman lah ya kalau dalam perkuliahan ini, sama teman-teman, sama dosen juga, mata-mata kuliahnya juga everything's okay. Okay. How about in outside class? I mean, like did you do social like?
I didn't actually go out. Maybe I went to Maliboro and some mall. That's
kamu udah jalan-jalan ke mall?
Yeah, but just mall and Maliboro and that's it.
I see. Biasanya jalan-jalan itu sama siapa? Teman-teman kelas atau with your friends like?
No, I have friends even like in university, so I go with
them.
But sometimes with class we go to like near restaurants or cafe or something.
Nongki. You know Nongki, right? Nongki. Nongki.
Is it
like that? We go to some.
It's like nongkrong
nongkrong,
okay.
Nongkrong, Nongki, it's same. Nongki, nongkrong, that's same. The same meaning. Jadi teman-teman kelas juga kadang ada momen bareng-bareng ya, kayak pergi ke cafe sini yuk, buat nugas or something, like just having chilling. Oh really? Oh, that's fun.
Yes,
Awesome.
we're doing things like just first month.
Yeah. Awalnya pasti gitu, kompak. We really have a good teamwork in the class. But after that, we will see. Okay. Nah, kamu suka jalan-jalan nggak, Arwa? I mean, like checking around in the city, and maybe you visit some.
I wanna go, but I didn't have the chance yet. But I want to explore the city more. I want to go to the mountains and the sea. Like the beaches, it's quite far, right?
Yeah,
like 2
far.
hours or something.
Yeah, 2 hours.
Yeah, and they say the roads are not like, it's quite dangerous. So
because it's a mountain, right? Jadi naik turun gitu sih. But if you want to go the beach that quite near in Yogyakarta, actually there is Palangkaraya. I don't know, I forgot the place name.
Like something near.
Pokoknya itu pantainya itu cukup dekat dari sini. Kayaknya perjalanan cuma 1 jam aja deh. 40 minutes I guess. If you ride a motorcycle. And if there's no macet di situ, ya pasti sampai cepet sih itu. And many students always go there because that place have a hills, like ada itu pemandangannya itu emang langsung dari pantai gitu. I forgot what's the place name. I have been there.
I need to know.
You have to go there with your classmate or your friends. Okay, talking about environment. We already talking about. Jadi kamu kan emang belum dapat kesempatan aja ya untuk jalan-jalan di sini. Mungkin karena ada sibuk kegiatan kah atau kuliah, atau kamu ikut kegiatan nggak di sini? I mean like ikut UKM gitu. No, you not followed some organization or why?
I didn't know. I have no reason actually.
Yeah, actually you don't have any reason right to follow them.
Because we already have like 6 days of studying, so I didn't want to have more extra things.
I see.
I was like, I need to focus at least just the first year. Maybe next year I will join something.
Probably ya. Baca situasi dulu ya, seperti di sini tuh seperti apa sebenarnya. But what your hobby?
What is my hobby? I like reading books maybe. I watch actually just like dramas or something. That's my hobby.
Yes. I think mostly people would say that I love reading, I love watching. That's the basic. Di IMAPS juga udah tersedia fasilitas untuk teman-teman bisa belajar bahasa Inggris lagi, because I think there is you will get English course for 4 semester, ada 4 semester itu pasti ada mata kuliah bahasa Inggris, tahu kok.
From now we have
LTC, right?
Oh, LTC.
You get LTC?
Oh, we have like speaking English.
That's the
itu.
Jadi there's a program that available for the student to improve their English as well, right? Okay, any ada kesan-pesan lagi or any tips? Alright, thank you, terima kasih banyak Arwa udah mau sharing-sharing sama kita, udah mau berbicara bahasa Indonesia juga. Really I appreciate that. I'm also really enjoy this conversation because it's quite fun to talking with you. Karena ya di mix sih. Kalau misalnya full English juga, I will really hard to find what is word like that. Jadi itu teman-teman pembicaraan kita sama Arwa, salah satu mahasiswa IMAPS tahun 2023 maba. Experience-nya selama 1 bulan di sini ya, bisa teman-teman nonton tadi ya, udah panjang lebar tadi kita ngobrol. Jadi terima kasih kembali Arwa udah datang ke sini. Hopefully we can have another podcast to discuss your experience and your background. Okay, thank you very much. Terima kasih teman-teman udah bisa nonton podcast Ngopi IMAPS, ngobrolin perkuliahan IMAPS. Jangan lupa teman-teman jangan di skip videonya, harus ditonton full karena nanti kalau kalian nonton skip-skip ya informasinya ke skip-skip juga. Dan jangan lupa juga untuk nonton video podcast yang sebelum-sebelumnya juga karena di sana banyak informasi yang penting juga perihal perkuliahan yang ada di IMAPS. Aku Daniel Kiper Karista pamit undur diri. Terima kasih banyak. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih. Bye bye.